So to place an order on the MyPaperCups website, simply click on Shop Now or the Shop button up here, and it will take you to the products that you can order on the MyPaperCups website. So it will show you all of them, or you can just select cups and lids or cups only. Today I'm going to do an example using an 8-ounce cup and a black lid with a quantity of 2,000 units. So I'm going to click here on the small 8-ounce paper cup, and I'm going to leave the timing as standard, which is 7 to 10 business days plus transit time, and I'm going to select a black lid and a quantity of 2,000, and I'm going to add that to my cart. So once you've done that, it'll show you what is in your cart, and if that's the only thing you want to order, you can move forward with that, or if you want to add another item, you can continue shopping. But today I'm just going to have 2,000 of the 8-ounce cups and lids in my cart, and this will show me the subtotals, but I will need to proceed to checkout and put in my delivery details, and it will give me a total with shipping and GST included as well. So click on proceed to checkout, and this will take you to the order processing screen. If you are a returning customer, you can click here to log in, and it will remember your details from last time. And if you are a wholesale customer, you may have a coupon code that you can enter as well. So enter all your contact details and then scroll down. If you'd like to ship to a different address, simply click here, and you can also enter your different shipping address that you need your cups delivered to. And if there's any special notes for delivery, pop them in there. The type of shipping location will either be a residential or commercial. If you have a shipping label that needs to go, let us know. Tick this box here, and you'll get instructions later when you get your artwork email, where you can also upload a shipping label, and this is particularly if it's going to a convention centre, as they will require one. And if you want the billing to go to a different address, also click here and enter your billing details. If you require blind shipping, let us know, and we can send the cups and lids out in blank boxes and not have our name on the delivery courier label. And then enter here the date that you need the cups to be delivered by. Please make sure you allow the 7 to 10 business days for production plus your transit time. So East Coast is generally 1 to 2 days, Adelaide is 3, Perth is 4 to 5. If you're not sure, please give us a call and we'll let you know what the transit time is. Or you might require a rush order if it's going to be less than that time. So again, you'll need to just let us know, and we'll let you know if we can meet your deadline. With your artwork, please tick the appropriate box there. And if you have a billing reference or your own internal purchase order that needs to go on the invoice, just pop it in there and we can add that to the invoice. If you haven't already created an account, just click here and one can be created for you and make it even quicker for next time that you want to order. Then you can go through and have a look at your order, make sure everything is correct. Once you've put in your shipping postcode, etc. above, it will also have your freight price in there as well. Now you can select direct deposit if you need an invoice to be sent out, and if you'd like to just do a direct transfer from your bank, it's a 7-day account. Or you can apply for a credit account, or you can pay via your credit card. And once that's all completed, simply click on place order. That will come through to our system, and then you'll also receive an email regarding your artwork and your delivery label if you tick that you had a delivery label.